Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. We're gonna call this a vlog. I'm not really sure what this is. I guess it's gonna be more of like an update. So I've been harboring some really exciting news, and the reason I've not been sharing it with you guys is not because I want to be like, oh, I have some really cool news, I've been working on some stuff behind the scenes, but I can't tell you yet. I hate that, and I am not trying to do that. It wasn't my plan to be doing that, but I do have some really exciting news that I was going to be sharing with you right now, but as you know, the situation that's going on in the world right now, I can't really, like, I want to share it with you in a certain way, like a really exciting, like fun way, like I wish I could just spit it out at you, but I want to save it for the right moment to share it with you guys so that we can really like revel in it. And it's just something that I have been like working towards like my whole life. I will eventually be able to share this news with you guys. It's not like it's not, you know, that it didn't happen or that's not gonna happen. It will happen when the world is in a better place. I will be sharing it with you, and we're all gonna be super excited, and it's gonna be so amazing. I just wanted to come on here and kind of share this positive news with you. I know it's not really the news, but it is something positive, and I'm excited about it. And I do feel like, you know, there is a lot going on right now in the world, and I have seen a lot of you guys comment and saying that my videos have been a distraction for you and they like take you away for a bit, and I love that so much. It means a lot to me that I can be that for you, because, and I know I've said this before, but you know, I turned to YouTube in a time of my life where it wasn't very great, and it was a distraction for me. The people that I watched were distractions for me, and they made me laugh, and the fact that I get to do that for you guys is like, it is something I can't even just like describe. It's a feeling I literally cannot describe. So I just wanted to come on here and kind of share the positivity that I'm feeling with this subject anyway. With this video, I felt like this news was so important, and I was going to be sharing it with you like right now. And so since this whole situation with the world that's going on, I haven't been able to, because I want to do it in a certain way. So everything else has just felt short compared to that. Do you know what I mean? Like, it just has felt not as interesting, and I feel like I just need to take myself out of that and just like connect with you guys, which is what I love to do. And I feel like a lot of stuff obviously has been changing. Like, I'm sure a lot of stuff for you guys has been changing. Like, Sean has been working from home. I obviously work from home, and so the both of us working from home is, you know, a situation in itself. And I'm just one of those, I'm not good at, as you can see right here, I'm sure I'm gonna leave these embarrassing clips in for myself. I'm not good at filming when other people are around but they're not in the video. So it's just something I need to adapt to and kind of get over it. So I will be working on that for you guys and for myself. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to share that I had some positivity, some positive news that is going to be coming out soon, and I just can't wait to share it with you guys. And it's gonna be happening. It's not that it's not gonna be happening, it just has to be like pushed back a little bit. And when it does happen, we're all gonna be so excited, and there's just gonna be more of things, more stuff is gonna be going on, and I hope to give you guys more of what you want to see. And I obviously, I know I've been talking about doing, hey, here's my tripod. I've literally been looking for this, and here it was. I have no idea how it got there. So anyway, I know I have been talking about doing makeup videos, and I just feel like I've been so like, oh, well, to do a makeup video I have to have these things and I have to do it this way, and I don't have to do it anyway. I don't have to have certain things. I just need to do it. So I want you guys to tell me in the comments, do you want like a specific makeup look, like a whole makeup look, or do you want like my basic, you know, foundation and stuff like that, like my basic routine, or do you want like what do you guys actually want for the first video? I feel like I've gotten my head into a place where I'm like, oh well, the first makeup video has to be amazing and incredible and something to, like, you know, make you guys want to see more makeup videos. And you know, I do still want it to be really great, but it doesn't have to be like, you know, this whole big production. I have a really cool, like, specific kind of idea for makeup videos, sort of like a series, and that's something else that is gonna have to wait, but once you guys, I don't know if anyone's ever done it before. There's probably been someone that's done this kind of idea before, but I'm excited about it either way, and I think you guys are gonna, like, really love the idea I have. So yeah, that's just what's been going on with me. I just wanted to give you guys kind of an update. Sorry if you keep hearing a little plastic sound. Your girl's got anxiety, so I gotta have something to, like, kind of play with. I also just wanted to, like I said at the beginning of this video, connect with you guys, and let me know what you guys have been up to and how you've been. I'm sure a lot of you have been crafting with this time, so please let me know what you've been making. I hope by the time this video goes out, you guys will have seen it. Maybe I won't tell you the full idea just because I'm not sure when this video will go out, but Sean and I are going to be, Sean is my husband if you don't know, but we're gonna be filming a video, I think on Saturday. I'm filming this on Friday. So, oh my god, so tomorrow, we'll be filming a video together, and I'm so excited because I feel like you guys really love when Sean is in my videos, and that makes me so happy. And anyway, so I like filming with him, even though it's kind of embarrassing to be like, hey guys, look at this resin thing that I'm doing with my husband. But I think that it'll be a fun video, and I think that it'll be something that, you know, we kind of all need right now. Just a break and something fun to laugh at. And anyway, so I'm excited to film that. So I guess that was it for my little update. I already feel better now that I've talked to you guys and told you that cool things are coming. They're just a little pushed back, and that's okay. And yeah, so I'm just excited to show you guys the things that I have to show you. I don't know where that voice came from, but it happened. And yeah, I love you guys so freaking much. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying sane and staying busy, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye. Am I really gonna leave that in? Is that really what we're gonna be doing? Hell yeah, it is. Of course it is.